Hey everyone, Camille here with another unboxing video. And today I'm going to be unboxing the Dragon Stars Majin. I found this at Walgreens with my dad. And it cost $22. Here's the bottom, and here's the top, the front, and the back. And here's the back. And I'm gonna be opening him up. I'll see you in a second. And here he is out of his box. Majin Buu. And here he is. He has 3 sets of hands, including a thumbs up, 2 fisting hands, and 2 opening hands. I'll show you the articulation. His head can move. His head can move left and right. Sorry, I have allergies. The arm can move, including the elbow. Here's the other arm. It can also move and move his elbow. And then he also can move his leg and the knee, including the foot. And the other leg can move, including the knee and the foot. But he has a little bit of back crunch. Sorry about my allergies. And that is it for the unboxing video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.